So I've just received this sunglass organizer. Let's go ahead and unbox it, install it, and try it out. So there's some instructions there on how to install it. There's two different methods, one by using the sticky tape and one by using the included screws. Pretty nice. Oh, wow. Okay, let's see. There's anything else. Okay, so here's some screws in the box. Okay. So, and there's also some anchors, some wall anchors. Pretty nice. Look at that wave pattern. It looks like, actually, this is real wood, okay? Look at the back side. That is really nice. So, this looks like leather. These are actually real leather straps here. That is pretty nice. Okay, well, I wasn't expecting leather, but that is awesome. Okay, so these have some really nice straps there to hold your glasses or sunglasses in there. You would just set them in those holes there. Look at this beautiful wave pattern here. Look at this wood. It is really nice. You can see the wood grain there. Okay, so there's 7 slots for your glasses. This looks about 18 inches long. You can put your screws in the wall and then set it onto the screws. Or you can take the sticky tape off and set it in as well. So what a nice thing. Let's go ahead and mount it up on the wall and let's put some sunglasses on it.